Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kafas Cardozo and today I'll be teaching you guys about algorithms, okay, and algorithm basics, okay, and basically for you guys to have a proper understanding of what an algorithm is actually. So let's get to it. So guys, in your own words, what do you think algorithms basically are, okay? So if I would explain it, I would explain it as basically algorithms, okay? They are like patterns, or basically it is a type of a concept, okay, that helps to solve a particular computational problem or basically a certain problem in any aspect, okay? So they could be solving mathematics problems, or maybe it could be some addition algorithm, or it could be a subtraction algorithm. It could be any type of mathematical algorithm or any sort of algorithm, okay? There are many algorithms like encryption algorithms or key algorithms, search engine algorithms. There are like everything has an algorithm based in it, okay? Like most of the AI based models, right? The AI models are based on certain algorithms that help to understand humans better, okay? So basically, let me get further into it, and yes, let's go to the next topic, okay, on how algorithms work. Basically, how do they actually work, okay? So let's get to that topic. So guys, I'm just going to be noting algorithm as A for now in a circle, basically to represent it, okay? So A basically stands for an algorithm, okay? So algorithms are basically a concept. It's a concept, okay, that helps to solve, okay? It's a type of a concept or a pattern that helps to solve a certain problem, okay? Basically, it helps to solve a certain problem, or it's basically a solution to a problem, okay? Sorry for the bad handwriting, but I hope I'm giving you the best explanation, okay? So this is what basically algorithm does, okay? It's basically created by a certain person or a company or an organization. It's a concept, okay? Basically, it is a concept. Its sole purpose is to basically solve a problem. So this is what is an algorithm, okay? I hope you have a good understanding after me explaining it, okay? So now let me get to the next point, okay? So algorithms, what are the different types of algorithms, okay? So let's take an example, okay? Suppose you want to make ramen noodles, okay? I'm going to make the most basic algorithm, okay? I don't know how, I'm not like a chef or something, so do excuse me for that. But I'm going to be writing a basic algorithm, okay, on how ramen noodles are basically made, okay? So let me get to it. Let me just drag this aside. Okay, 1 second. Okay, we have that right over there. Let me just delete it, okay? It's not required for now. So now let me do it, okay? So basically we want to make ramen noodles, okay? Let's just call it the ramen algorithm, okay? Let's just put ramen A, okay? Ramen A. This is what the ramen algorithm is, okay? So first step, what would you do? You would basically, suppose we talk in the computational industry, okay? We would basically, the code would be executed, okay? Let's imagine a robot, okay? Basically a robot, a cooking bot is basically going to cook food for you. So in its mind, okay, let's say this is basically the mind of a robot right now, okay? And in its mind, okay, we have the ramen noodles algorithm, okay? So let me just do that for you guys. This is the cooking bot. I'm just going to encrypt it in this certain way, CB, you can understand it, right? And in its mind, we have the ramen algorithm, okay? Now, what would it think, okay? So when a computer basically compiles a certain piece of code, right, it basically starts, okay? You need to debug the code first, right? So it basically starts, but the code is already debugged by the industry, or whatever industry you're working in, right? It's already compiled so that there are no errors while processing the certain program. So when your algorithm starts getting to be processed, okay, it basically starts first, okay? It starts basically, this is called execution, okay? This process is called execution, okay? Your algorithm is going to be running, okay, on the a certain bot. So it's called execution. Execution basically means to begin or to execute, okay, in certain terms. So this is what execution basically means, okay? Now your code starts and it goes to the next step, okay, of opening your packet, because it's a cooking bot, right? It's like it does the job of a normal worker, okay, like a house cook or basically any type of certain cook. It might replace your mom's work at home. It could ease out the work at a house. So basically cooks food, and it also like it has a mind of its own. So suppose you want to teach, okay, this bot how to cook ramen noodles. You would first let it know that you have to open the ramen packet, okay? So it would open the ramen packet, okay? The ramen packet, let me just explain it further. Ramen packet. Then we would want to take this the ramen block, okay, basically the ramen noodle block. Take the ramen noodle block, okay, and put it in boiling water. In boiling water, use it in boiling water, okay. And there will be, I'm just going to be direct, okay, because I don't want to make this video too long. It's going to be boring then, okay. So it's better to have short and informative, right, rather than being long and boring. So yeah, then we have it in water, okay. So imagine the water is already boiling and you have prepared it further for your cooking pot, okay. Now after boiling it, okay, it's going to be like 2-3 minutes. Let it soak into it. Let the water get evaporated, and we could say delay, make it delay for 2-3 seconds, okay, for the best soaking in the seasoning of the ramen noodles, okay. Delay through 3 minutes, let's say. And then next it would have the last process is to basically take out the ramen noodles, basically take out the ramen noodles and serve it, okay, serve it in a plate. So it would be something like this to serve. So this is basically your algorithm, okay. This is, imagine this is just a ramen algorithm, okay. This is just, I'm simplifying it for you guys, okay. Not going to go into too much detail because it would be boring then. So this is what your ramen algorithm is, prepared by the cooking bot. So in its mind, it has a mind of its own, okay. So the ramen noodle basically has a the cooking bot has a mind of its own that's going to, every single time the cooking bot prepares ramen, is going to be better and better at this process, okay, because it's going to be learning from a human. It's basically AI model, basically the AI model, okay, artificial intelligence. Basically artificial intelligence is another concept which I'll explain in another video. So it's artificial intelligent mind, okay. Basically it has a mind of its own, and that is another algorithm that works by itself, okay. We'll learn how to serve or to make better ramen noodles. So basically now the concept is understood that an algorithm is basically a set of instructions, okay, given by a person or the user, okay, to solve a certain mathematical problem, or it could be any certain problem, okay, in any industry. So for this example, we have taken cooking, like basically cooking by a cooking bot, okay. This is in the tech industry, okay. I hope you guys understand what an algorithm is, okay. This is completely basic, the most basic understanding I've given you. I hope you guys love it, love the video, the information. I hope you guys love it and subscribe. Please do subscribe to my channel, it will definitely support me. If you have any doubts or anything, or if you did not understand any concept, the concept wasn't clear, you can definitely comment out, because only if I get corrected, right, I'll be able to provide better content. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out and keep grinding, keep hustling. Yeah, peace out.